I've been asked to solve this inequality for y, and solving an inequality is the exact same process as solving an equation except for one additional rule, and that rule is called the flip-flop rule. And what that says is anytime I have to divide or multiply my entire equation by a negative sign, then I'm going to flip my inequality. So this only happens some of the time. So to solve my inequality, I'm going to do the same process. I'm going to draw my line down the inequality to split it in half. And I'm going to circle the term I'm solving for, including the sign that goes with it. So my goal is to get that circled term by itself on the left side of the equation. And when I look, I have a 2x that's not part of the circle on the left side. So I've got to move that to the other side. And the way to move a term to the other side is to do the inverse operation. So right now, this is a positive 2x. So the inverse of adding 2x is to subtract 2x on both sides of my inequality. And my 2x is not a like term to the 5. The 5 does not have an x. So I'm not going to put it directly underneath. Don't want to make a mistake. So I'm going to put it out to the side. My 2x's cancel. And I bring down my negative 5, or my negative y is less than or equal to. My 5 comes straight down. And my minus 2x comes straight down. So now I'm not done because my y is being multiplied by a negative, or a negative 1. So the inverse of dividing by, or multiplying by negative 1 is to divide by negative 1. So I'm going to divide all three terms by negative 1. That invokes my flip-flop rule because I'm dividing the whole equation by a negative. So I'm going to flip my inequality. And so I've got y is greater than or equal to negative 5 plus 2x. That's my answer. My slope is always the term identified with the x, and my y-intercept is the constant.